Hi kids, it's Makai, and today we're reading Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus. Let's get started. I thought he'd never leave. Psst, hey, can I drive the bus? Please. I'll be careful. I'll tell you what, I just steer. My cousin here drives the bus almost every day. True story. Vroom, 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 vroom. Pigeon on the wheel. No, I never get to do. Hey, I got an idea. Let's play Drive the Bus. I'll go first. Come on, just race around the block. I'll be your best friend. I bet your mom. What's the big deal? It's just a bus. I have dreams, you know. Let me drive the bus. Uh-oh. I'm back. You didn't let the pigeon drive the bus, did you? Great. Thanks a lot. Bye. Hey! Subscribe to my channel if you want to. You get the other kind of books, like The Pigeon Finds a Hot Dog, Don't Let the Pigeon Stay Up Late, The Duckling Gets a Cookie, and The Pigeon Needs a Bath. The pigeon has feelings too. The pigeon loves letting go. And don't let the pigeon finish this activity book. And I'll see you later. Bye. Oh, again, don't let the pigeon run this app.